so tired. Ah. We be in the shoot. I got stuff. I got sweets. Got some juice. Got some strawberry juice. Bomb. Bomblicious. That's what I found. Elephant pants. Going to visit the Western Wall. We are in the old city. And my roomie for the next 2 days. Hey. This is here. Yes, yes.
We are going to have so much fun.
We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna play the guitar over there because I miss playing guitar so much. And then roomies, yes. It's my Shabbat fit. Hey. Hey, good morning. Good morning. We're on the kibbutz. It's Shabbat, and I'm not supposed to have my phone out.
I found teeth candy. These are called snichonim. Okay. Going in. Are these the top teeth or bottom teeth?
Hey, we're at the We're going out in Pause. We're going out in Jerusalem tonight. It is Sunday. We're leaving the kibbutz this morning. Not hungover, but I am very dehydrated. Got some pizza. Wow.
That's so awesome.
Then we in the Bedouin. We're now at the Bedouin tents. What? Tomorrow we're hiking Masada and going to the Dead Sea. What? This is so exciting.
Why are we doing it?
4 in the morning. Yay!
Hold one down.
I'm outside. We're stargazing. You probably can't see this. Look at the stars. You guys definitely can't see this.
Oh! I wrote this, but it's like too hard. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Good morning. It is 4:50. We're gonna go hike Masada. What? The most anticipated trip. What? Here we are. Day 7. I don't know. Look at my hat. Top 10 things we're hiking today. Number 1, Masada. Morning. It's hiking time. Apparently this is just like our A mountain, but Israel, so I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. We're going. Be outside. Hey yo. We're doing farm bat mitzvahs.
It's like you're scratching his head. Oh, that's his stick now. What? You're gonna
Say subscribe to Sydney Brooks.
Here's the stick.
Meh.
The stick.
Why is there just a guinea pig, bro?
Hi, buddy.
Come here. I found the guinea pig enclosure. Hey, little man. Hey, little man. We're about to go into the Dead Sea. Dead Sea moment. Hey, I bought some mud. About to mud myself. Yes. Oh my god, it's so hot. Wait. There are bugs everywhere. They're eating me. They keep landing on me and getting stuck in my sunscreen. It's feeling very dead out, to be completely I'm gonna mud myself. What's up, everybody? Dead Sea moment, covered in mud. Let's go. Hey, we floated. It was a lot of fun. Now I'm gonna go get some footage of the floating so you guys can see what it's like. Time jump. Look at this playground. Isn't that so cool? Look at these slides. They look so cool. Hello, vlog. Back in the same hotels we were the day 1. What? Wow, that's crazy. That's because that's how it was planned. I figured out how to turn on the air conditioning. I'm so proud of myself. Yay, yay. Look how much tan I am as comparison to the first day. Split screen. That's crazy. Anyways, tonight's our night out in Tel Aviv. So we're about to HEYYYY Tel Aviv. Yeah, that's all. That's all. I'm actually really excited. This is gonna be a lot of fun.
Let's go! Can I shout out Sam and Daniel? Yes. Sam and Daniel, come to Israel. We miss you. Yeah, everyone, we go to
Next bar, go.
Over there.
L bar too full. Anyways, next. Club sucked. New club. New place. Kind of weird. Me when the spaceship. Oh my gosh, editing Sid here. Hey! Hope you guys like the end of episode 2. Oh my gosh, there's only 1 episode left in the series. That means you guys need to subscribe and turn that notification bell on if you already haven't. That way you never miss an upload. Also, make sure you comment because I always read your comments. I love reading comments. And if that is it, then I will see you guys in the next episode. Day trip to Tel Aviv. Hey yo, bye.